Hello, how are you all? Yes, I am back with a new activity, and you know what? You will love this activity as it is. These are summer days, and we all love to play with water, right? Do you all love to play with water, right? So today I've got pouring activity for you. Yes, let's see what you need for this activity. I have taken a tub, and you can take any big vessel if you have at home, okay? And I have taken two glasses, okay? These are two equal glasses, and with these we will be doing pouring, okay? Yes. So can we start? And see children, one glass is empty. Can you see? Yes, one glass is empty and one glass is full with water. So what we will do, I have red color with me. I will add red color in this, okay? In this water. You see? Yes. Yes. Now we will be doing pouring. Yes. So you need what you need for this activity. You need both hands. You should hold with the help of your hands, right? Let's see here how I am holding. Like this. You have to hold the glasses. Okay? And then we have to start pouring activity. Let's pour, pour, pour like this. Yes. Okay, now see, this is empty and this is full, okay? Yes. Now let's repeat this activity again. Let's pour, pour, pour. Let's pour, pour, pour. Yes. Now this is empty and this is full. Yes, yes, it is very interesting activity, right? You all love to play with water, right? Yes, you can do this activity at home. Now we use similar glasses. Now, right now we can also do this activity while using small glass. Okay, we can take a small container and we can take a big container, and then we can also do pouring in this also, like this. Okay, you can see the red color. Yes, right? Yes. So this glass is small. This glass is small, right? This container is small, right? So you, with the help of this, you can also teach more and less concept. Okay? Yes. So this is small container. So less water will be here, right? Yes, because it is small container. And see, this is a big container, right? So here you will have more water, right? Yes? Yes. So children, this activity is very good for hand and eye coordination, and also it gives you thinking process. It enhances your thinking process also, like how much to pour, how fast to pour, and when to stop, right? It helps in developing your thinking process also, and your motor skills, your fine motor skills. You have to hold the glass. Yes, you have to hold the glass without dropping it. You cannot drop the glass. You have to hold the glasses, and you have to, and this requires a lot of coordination and balance. Yes, you may spill the water. It's okay. Okay. Yes, you may spill the water. It's okay. Just try and explore yourself. Okay. And the best part is that you can do this activity indoors as well as outdoors. Yes, you can try out this activity indoors also and outdoors also, right? Yes, see, pouring. I am pouring. And you can learn about empty, full, and you can learn about more and less also, right? Yes, we can learn so many things in this activity, from this activity, okay? Yes, so do try out this activity this summers, and I am sure your toddler will enjoy it, and I think 10-15 minutes they will definitely spend doing this activity. Okay, so do try out the pouring activity at home. Take care. Bye bye.